To a human, a single day feels like a substantial, heavy sequence of hours. By our 80th year, we've accumulated a lifetime of memories that make our personal history feel like a permanent, massive reality. This perception is a biological necessity. Evolution wired our brains to measure reality strictly by the timelines of our immediate survival, placing our own experiences at the absolute center of everything. But this internal clock is a comforting illusion. It creates a sense of scale that works for finding food or crossing a street, but fails to describe the actual universe. Understanding the true map of space requires us to abandon this localized clock entirely and adopt a perspective that exists outside our biological limits. To see that scale, we have to compress the 13.8 billion-year history of the universe into a single 365-day calendar. The Big Bang initiates on January 1st. On this compressed timeline, Earth doesn't even appear until late August. 8 full cosmic months of galaxy formation and star death pass before our planet even exists as a physical object. If we zoom in to the final minutes of December 31st, we finally locate the entirety of recorded human history. Every empire and invention we've ever known occupies only the last few seconds before midnight. Against this year-long backdrop, an average 80-year lifespan lasts roughly 1/4 of a single second. We are a fleeting, momentary presence, and as our time here vanishes, our physical significance begins to look equally microscopic. Scale is a matter of perspective. We begin at the microscopic level of human biology, a twisting DNA strand containing the instructions for our life. To the DNA, a human being is an overwhelmingly massive planetary structure. To a human, the Earth itself represents an unconquerable, vast plane of existence. But we have to move past that bias. If we mathematically shrink Earth down to a single grain of sand, the true dimensions of space become visible. This expanding grid represents the observable universe. Relative to our sand-sized Earth, the boundary of space stretches for tens of billions of light years. Our entire world has been reduced to a microscopic speck, waiting to be swallowed by the macro-scale physics of deep space. To find the structures that actually define the universe, we have to pull back even further, leaving our solar system and the Milky Way far behind. As we pull back, galaxies containing billions of stars are visually reduced to luminous dust. When aligned, they reveal the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. Traveling at the speed limit of physics, light takes 10 billion years to cross this web. A structure this massive challenges the very timeline of the universe. Gravity shouldn't have been able to pull this much matter together in the 13.8 billion years since the Big Bang. At this scale, every human concept of importance or borders is effectively broken. This is the cosmic cage, the realization that we are permanently embedded inside this apathetic, unimaginably vast map. Confronting these light years and structures naturally leads to a feeling of total insignificance. It feels as though we are isolated from the physics of the macro scale. But the connection between the Great Wall and your own body is found in the origin of the matter itself. The heavy elements in your blood and your bones were forged in the superheated cores of dying stars, the same stars that form the glowing dust of the cosmic web. Through this shared chemistry, the universe has developed a specific point of view. We are a conscious speck of stardust, representing the moment the universe began to comprehend its own infinite cage. Every day, we reveal the science hiding in plain sight. Follow for more impossible facts from Factorian.